Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable the speed lock on the ENGWE L20. So you need to power on the display and then press the plus and minus under the display together for a few seconds, and it goes to this menu, and here you can select a few things such as the battery voltage, but today we are going to go to P3, which is 25 kilometers per hour. Press the top again so the value flashes, and now with the plus and minus adjust it to what you desire. The bike supports here a maximum speed limit of, let's see, 63 km per hour. That's the maximum for it. Then press again the top button. Now when it flashes this, press and hold the power button. It resets to the main menu, and now if I choose here something like assisted 5 and with the throttle enabled, there you go, 41 kilometers per hour, and that's with about half battery. So with full battery it does even more. So as simple as that, you have now removed the speed limit, and you can also finally adjust that from that settings. To revert the speed limit, you just need to do that again and put 25 kilometers per hour. Be also sure to watch my other ENGWE related videos. There's a playlist here, and until my next video, see you and bye bye.